Welcome back to Laser Focus Solutions Media, folks. Christopher Godwin, your host, coming at you from the beach. That's right, looking at the beautiful ocean here. So, you want to know how I'm on the beach and still getting paid? Here's how. So I use a software called Housecall Pro. You probably heard me talk about this software often because I believe in it. It's what helps me build my business and build my customer base, all behind the scenes. So, sitting on the beach, just reflecting, hitting the reset button, trying to figure out how to continue to advance and grow. And I get a notification that says, Laser Focus Solutions, you've been paid. Well, thank you very much, Housecall Pro. I appreciate that. Now, how did Housecall Pro pay me, you may ask? Well, I did a job yesterday, invoiced the customer, and then today that customer got up and paid me. So now that money is coming to the bank to get me paid. I don't have to go back and return. I don't have to call, email, text, and follow up. It happens. It syncs right to QuickBooks. Does everything I needed to do. My bookkeeper sees it. That job is complete. I'm on to the next. So I encourage you to check out Housecall Pro like I did, because it's changing the game of how I do business, and it could change yours too.